In this video, I'm going to show you how to use halftones in Clip Studio Paint. Now you can do this for your entire image or simply just a portion of your image, and I'm going to show you both. So first, let's do entire image. You want to select it, you want to select the layer here on the right, and you want to go into layer properties. Now if you can't see this, click on the window, and here you can enable layer properties, and then it's going to give you a bunch of different options under effects. You want to click on here where you can see tone. Now as you can see, if I set the frequency over here, I can basically set the kind of the tone or the halftones over my image. Now this does look a bit weird over here, so you can go ahead and set the density over here. You can set the frequency and stuff like that, and this is going to kind of give you halftones. However, this is likely not what you're trying to achieve, so let me show you the better way. I'm going to remove this just like that, back to default. Then you want to go and select this tool over here on the left, which is called the auto select, or like this magic wand, by hitting W on your keyboard or clicking on it, of course. Then you want to go and select where you want it to be. So for example, let's say I want it to be, I don't know, maybe down here at this portion of the leg of this fox over here, and I can just click on this button here, which is going to add a new tone. Now whenever you do this here, you can kind of see the preview on the right. You can set your frequencies, you can set density, type, etc. And then whenever you're happy, hit OK, and it's going to give you these halftones. Now, as you can see, you can also edit them much more than this. So we can go back to layer properties, and as you can see, we have a tone applied already. And in here, you can now set your frequency like this. So it's up to you whatever you want to do. As you can see on the image, it's changing quite a bit depending on how much I use this slider over here. Then you have the option to kind of specify it. You have the option to change your density as well. There's a bunch of different things you can do. And then you can simply mark the other portion. You can click on the plus button, press OK again. You can adjust that one as well. And you can do this for as many parts of your image as you want using this tool over here, which is the magic wand tool, or of course you could use any of the other selection tools as well. So for example, if I want to use this lasso tool over here, oops, I have the magnetic one, let me select the normal, there we go. I can go and select, for example, just like this portion over here. And as you can see, when I apply the selection, I can now again create a new tone, click OK, and there we go, I have a tone over here as well. So I hope you get the point. That's how you use halftones. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.